Welcome to the Instagram Success Step-by-Step course, where you will learn how to build your Instagram from 0 to 1,000 followers for your drop shipping business with Spocket. Take the first steps in building your brand and driving free, organic traffic to your online store. My name's Sophie, and I'm a social media consultant and marketing specialist, and I'll be leading you through the course. Do you want more followers on your Instagram account? Or are you new to Instagram and don't even know where to begin? Are you thinking, oh no, not another social media platform that I need to get my head around to promote my personal brand or my business? Well, this is the course for you. In this course, we're going to look at how you can go about setting up your Instagram profile for your e-commerce business. You'll learn the type of content that you should be posting and what to say in your posts to turn those Instagram followers into dedicated fans of your brand who are ready to purchase from you time and time again. As an entrepreneur, you need to build a relationship with your potential customer. You need to build trust before they buy from you, and that is where Instagram comes in. Here's what you're going to learn inside this course. Many years' experience working in marketing and online. After I finished my English degree at Oxford University, I went on to work in marketing in a number of different companies and businesses, including the BBC, before going freelance and consulting with different clients of a number of different brands and personal accounts and so on. This course will be like having a one-on-one social media consultation crash course with me, except that I'm not charging you. It's free. I have so many things that I've learned over the years, one with my own personal Instagram account, which I'm taking as a case study for this course, and also just with all the brands and businesses that I've worked with over the years. I know what works to get your Instagram content out there to the people that you want to promote your business to. So join me to learn how to take your Instagram from 0 to 1,000, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.